Hello, I'm Amanda Gross, and I wanted to share with you today uh, code that I was running in Visual Studio 2019 that I have created. I have the One Crazy Silly Toon Moon Battle. The purpose of it was for the final for C++ Programming 2 through University of Advanced Technology. And it was to demonstrate several different things: threading, polymorphism, abstractism, a menu, input, output, user interface, so on. So I'm going to, at the very beginning of this, talk mostly about the actual gameplay of my program. So it's up and running. Well, it's up anyway. One Crazy Silly Toon Moon Battle. It's a text-based adventure game, so it's no pictures, anything like that. Takes it a minute. Go on. It was all cartoons, so here it comes. So it's supposed to be Bugs Bunny in this beginning part. And what's up, Doc? Name's Bugs. What's yours? And actually, I'm going to try to do the actual voice here. Let me pause it for a second. Find the real voice of Bugs. Okay, so here I have a playing on a recording on a cell phone, so it's supposed to sound like this. What's up, Doc? I'm not very good at actually talking like a cartoon, so I'll probably just keep doing that. What's up, Doc? Name's Bugs. What's yours? So the user will type in their name. So I typed in my name, Amanda. And then welcomes user, Amanda, welcome to the moon. Because this is the crazy, silly Toon Moon Battle. So you got to go to the moon. And how old you be, Doc? Because I'm trying to sound like Bugs Bunny. Now, on this one, there was like two different scenarios. So if you were younger than 60, you get a different message than when you were older, because I was doing the try catch exceptions. Well, I'll do the younger version first. You're young enough to stay, scramble your brains on video games and watch this cartoon battle. So press any key to continue, so I'll have to go back and show you the other version. And what's up, Doc? All moon battles come with Martians. One will be here later. And computers, but the carrots are mine. Rabbit, those carrots are mine. You're despicable. So this is supposed to be Daffy, so let's pause for just a minute. Okay, so... You're despicable. There we go. It's supposed to sound like that. So, and he's supposed to be arguing with Bugs because he does that a lot in cartoons. While I take care of this duck here, here is your computer, Dexter. Okay, now this one's kind of a longer one here with Dexter. So I'm trying to do Dexter's laboratory, the old cartoon. Well, not quite as old as Looney's, but hi, I'm Dexter Boy Genius. I am locked in a continuum of cartoon fools. I am doomed to a life of comic mishap, adventures, and social indignations. While I was working on my latest invention, my stupid sister, Dee Dee, said, "Oh, what does this button do?" So if you're not familiar with Dexter, we'll play some Dexter here. Okay, so here's some Dexter. What does this button do? Push the button. Okay, so there we go. And he does do the my stupid sister quite a lot in the cartoon. So I got stuck in this computer and I ended up here on the moon. But I will help you as your computer. Here are some menu items for you to choose from. So this is kind of like the input-output part of the program. I could input a sentence for me to store for you during your stay on the moon. Search for a keyword I have stored for you. Exit the program and let me fight against Mandrake. Mandrake? Oh, it might be Mandark. And Pinky and the Brain, who plan to take over the world. Oh, need caution reference here. Mandark is Dexter's arch nemesis. And Pinky and the Brain. Just a second, I'll get you a Pinky and the Brain reference here, too. Okay.
Cheers, mate. What do you want to do tonight? The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Okay. So you have the other choice then. Take over the world. Whoops. Now, and 3. So for right now, we're going to go ahead and choose 3, and then I'll come back into it, and I'll choose 1 and 2 for you. Let's do 3 and exit the program part that he's actually going to store. And he says your data has been stored because, like, if you just picked 1 or 2, he would store it. And then we're gonna, okay, so here's the fighting that starts on the moon because you're supposed to do a crazy Toon Moon battle. So, crazy, silly Toon Moon battle. So, anyway, we've got Smurfling saying Smurf, and the Smurflings attack with Smurfy things. A ninja attacks with Throwing Star. My Little Pony attacks with Cutie Mark. Somebody's saying Teen Titans Go. I have a planned attack. I think that's Robin. Feel the wrath of my ninja stars from Ninjago. Coming at you with the power of friendship is back to My Little Pony. And we'll take a look at this in the other part too. Kai is going to say, feel the wrath of my ninja stars. Let me see. Pinkie Pie is Little Pony attacks with the Cutie Mark. Zane is on Ninjago. He's in here too. So I've just put a whole bunch of people in here. I have Spider-Man. I have Wonder Woman. I have and Smurfs. I've got a bunch of Smurfs as well. So, and then after they're all done fighting, and you kept pressing the space bar, then it goes up to Rainbow Dash. He's also My Little Pony. It goes into the monkeys because I was thinking monkeys has cartoons. So, calling all monkeys to report for cartoon monkey business. Banana missiles have been created. This monkey says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Banana missiles are destroyed. So, we're going to create and destroy banana missiles, which is references to smart pointers. Banana weaponry armed and ready to fire, then split like a banana split. Firing bananas, firing banana peels. Banana missiles have been created. This monkey says, Asanta Sana Squash Banana, which is from Rafiki. Rafiki said it on Lion King. Firing banana rings. Cartoon monkeys jumping up and down. Banana missiles are destroyed. Monkeys swinging from trees. Monkeys flying from all the other cartoons. Can the monkey cartoons protect themselves from sliding around on bananas? Banana missiles have been created. Banana missiles are destroyed. All cartoons are in the battle now, and the game has truly gone bananas. And then the part with I will take care of these pesky earthlings is supposed to be Marvin the Martian. So let's listen to just a second of Martian. Marvin the Martian. Uranium and Ludium is definitely Marvin the Martian too. So preparing to launch rocket space modulator from space base at the moon. Rockets made of uranium and ludium Pu-36 with ID of 6680. Press button so we can hear earth-shattering kaboom! Space Cadet K9 preparing to launch Ludium Pu-36 space modulator to blast Earth to smithereens. All that is Marvin, so let me go find my Marvin. Okay, so Marvin for you.
Oh, the Earth will be gone in just a few seconds.
Oh, well, don't bother, Dan. No point in wasting money on a flying saucer when the Earth's not gonna... Pardon me again, Doc, but just what did you mean by that crack about the Earth being gone?
Oh, I'm going to blow it up. It obstructs my view of Venus.
It does? That's a shame.
Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. The illusion TMQ-36 explosive space modulator. That creature has stolen the space modulator.
Okay. So, press buttons so we can hear the earth-shattering kaboom. Space Cadet K9 preparing to launch Illudium P-36 space modulator to blast off to smithereens. Press any key to stop rockets from launching. Test of uranium P-36 ID of 122136. Where's the earth-shattering kaboom? You are making me angry. Very angry indeed. And then if I press a button, it stops the launch. So it's a Space Cadet K9 aborting mission. And I ended it with Porky Pig. But that's all, folks. So let me go find that. Let me pause for a second. Okay. So, Porky here, that saying that's all, folks. I can't do Porky very well, sorry. Okay. And then that is the end of that one. So if I go down through though, since the one part that did not take as well as I want to was where lots of the fighting was going on and everything. Let's go take a look. It was supposed to say this, so there's slight bugs, but it was hard to get rid of some of those bugs, so I'm going to just read part of this to you. It's supposed to do that the ninja never admits defeat, which is a saying from Kai. He throws Ninja Star. The pony leader is Twilight Sparkles. She says, time to hit books, or in this case, the books hit you. I probably won't play all of these, but, Robin, he's a sidekick, and he's named above, but he says, curses Batman, foiled again. Party Pony Girl is, Pinkie Pie, and, so she says, I'm throwing a party just for you. Party Cannon Barrage, whee! White Ninja says, even in the darkness, we have the choice to reflect the light. So all these are lines from their shows. Pony Creature Caregiver is Fluttershy. You behave right now, or you will get the stare. And it's a big thing in Ponytown and My Little Pony. She gives them the stare. The animals behave. I guess it's kind of like a mother thing. You look at your kid, and hopefully they'll behave. Sometimes it works. It's like counting. Okay. And then she attacks. The Smurf attacks. The Smurf attacks again. Web Slinger superhero is Spider-Man. So he says, brought to you by your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Rarity is the Pony Beauty. And she's all about being very vain. So she says, do not mess up my hair and prepare yourself for fabulous. Black Ninja says, some of us may look a little different, but like our teams, some things never change. The Pony Farmer is Applejack, and she says, you mess with the bull, you get the horns. Tony Stark is also Iron Man, of course, so contrary to popular belief, I know exactly what I am doing, is one of his famous quotes. Pony Tomboy was Rainbow Dash, and she says, and the crowd goes wild for Rainbow Dash. And then the Dark Knight is Batman, who says sometimes it's only madness that makes us what we are. But I'll do like maybe just a little bit of the pony so that you can hear the pony's voice at least. Just a second. Here, I'll go ahead and pause and grab some pony voice. Okay, so I found some ponies to share with you on that recording part here. Okay, so Yeehaw was Applejack, and the one that said awesome was Rainbow Dash for just a second, so that kind of fits their personalities.
I'm Princess Twilight Sparkle, and this is my home, Equestria.
So Twilight is the leader, so she's the one that says, and she's all about studying and magic, and so she's the one that says, time to hit the books, or in this case, the books hit you.
A land filled with magic, music, most importantly, friendship. Love is perfect. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Definitely not the clowns I ordered.
And the one talking about clowns just now was Pinkie Pie. So throwing a party just for you, party cannon barrage, wee. So that gives you an idea of what her voice sounds like. I probably won't do the voices for all of them, but they're all supposed to sound like the ponies from the cartoon. Let's see. The other part I was going to show was, if you play it one more time, the age thing. What's yours? Okay, here's my name in there again, and it repeats it back to you. How old you be? Okay, so if I said because I was younger last time, so if I said I was 70, you're an old fuddy-duddy like Elmer Fudd, ain't ya? If you are 70, you're too old for this battle, you might have a heart attack. I would tell Goku to kick you to the moon, but you're already here. Goku's a reference to Dragon Ball Z. He would kick some of his enemies to the moon. You're already here. So if you head back to Earth, take Daffy Duck with you. Going to stay here is a risk attack, heart attack, well, it's your life. In that case, welcome to the moon battle. Okay. And then that's when he starts arguing with the Daffy Duck again. The part where it kind of goes batty, I know it doesn't say like all the things that I wanted it to say on the actual Toon Moon battle. This part, it kind of goes tricky too. So like if I said, yes, I have a keyword, not pick 2. And what am I searching for? And I am search for a keyword I have stored for you. Oh, wait, no, that would probably be Y. 1, input we need to do 1. Let me start it over. Because it doesn't have a keyword yet to store for you. So I know that part where if the user breaks the program, and they will, well, they might break the program right there. Okay, we'll be old again. Okay, here we go. Oh, maybe this way. I'll try it again like this and see if it's great big, if it will help with the other one too. Here's your computer Dexter. Okay, so here is the part. Okay, so I want to put 1 and make a sentence. Sometimes it does not do very well. I want to make a sentence. Enter the file data for me to store for you. 1. Is there anything else I need to store for you? So, yes. Enter the data to store for you. Let me see. I don't know. Pittsburgh Pirates win 50-20. I don't know. There we go. Is there anything else I want to store for you? No. Okay, so here are some menu items. That's probably it. Now, if I pick if I immediately pick 2, it goes crazy. So we'll look at that here in just a second. But I picked 1, and I can store something in it. Now I'm going to pick 2, search for a keyword I've stored. Okay, 2. What am I searching for? We're going to search for pirates. Did I say pirates when I put it in? I think so. Okay. Pirates, either pirates or pirate. Here is what I found. Maybe it didn't read it. Okay, search for keyword. Okay, so 2. You know what? I know I said Pittsburgh, so Pittsburgh. Did I write the whole thing out? I need to pay attention to what I type. Okay. And then, there we go. So it's not doing too well when it actually searches for it. Okay, so if I go 3 and I go on, though, it continues to go on this. There we go. This time it might. No, it still doesn't have it where it it doesn't say everything from it leaves half of their attack off, which is why I showed you in the other one. Okay, and then it goes all the way down through to firing the monkeys. So for the most part, it works. Some slight bugs. I'm going to play it one more time. And I know if a user can break a game, they will. So This time I might try to break the one part. You're despicable. Okay, so on this one, if I don't say that I have one and that I'm inputting a sentence and instead I said two and I'm just searching for a keyword, it kind of gets stuck sometimes. Oh, this time it's not going to. Well, great. How about just pirates? Will it save it from last time? No. Okay, so it's supposed to repeat back what you said. So it, it half works. And then this part is the part of my polymorphism that is not working as much. And I do have I definitely have 4 classes, more than 4 classes. I got monkeys, I've got superhero, I got the pony, Ninjago, character. So I've got a lot of classes happening as well. Okay, so I think that is the demonstration for everything. So real quick, functions here, prototype functions. Oh, this is calling the headings. Most of them are up here at the top of the screen. Prototype function for the I/O. Smart bananas, or smart pointers, which is all about monkeys and bananas, and function for multi-threading. This is the main function. We'll look into the others here in a minute. Title here. So it does have the title, and then it goes straight into Bugs Bunny. And then it will have the menu when it hits Dexter. 1, 2, and 3, so you can pick from your menu. So it's supposed to store things during your game. Calling objects, which are ninjas. Zane, Cole, and Kai. Calling an NPC, making an NPC, which is a Smurf. Really, they only say Smurf, and they're Smurflings because there are just so many of them. I didn't want to, I didn't want to put Smurfette and Papa Smurfette. Other than that, they all look the same to me. So, Pony Leader, Twilight, Applejack, Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Rarity. So here's the few ponies. And here's the superheroes I called: Batman, Robin, Iron Man, Wonder Woman, and Spider-Man. And Wonder Woman has a quote in there too that she says, this is where they're attacking, and this is where they are coming alive, to say their pieces, to talk, to attack, to all these things. After that, I'm calling in the monkey code for a pointer. So this one is the raw pointer, example of a shared pointer, example of the outer scope, a weak pointer. Let me see. Oh, Marvin the Martian, multi-threading. So there's that part. This is where I'm getting the age of the player, the try and catch for the exception. This is the age check with the try, else, and a catch as well. I'm getting the input here. Do you want to type in anything else? You want to go on with the battle? Keyword, searching for the keyword here. Line to file for the IO base. Okay, so this part here, banana rings, that's part of the monkeys, which is part of the smart pointers. Uranium PU 36 Rocket Launch from Marvin Martian is the example of multi-threading. So over here, this is my monkey CPP, my monkey's heading. Those are my example smart pointers. My multi-threading is all done within the main. This is the superhero class, superhero CPP, for when they're supposed to shout Teen Titans Go for their attack. I have a plan attack. So Teen Titans goes from Robin, Teen Titans, and I have a plan attack is from, Tony Stark, Iron Man. He said, I have a plan attack. And then a superhero represents hope, opportunity, strength for everybody. So that's how they're going to help someone. We definitely took a look at the main already. Pony CPP, slightly different. Coming at you with the power of friendship is their cutie mark power attack. Their attack itself, My Little Pony attacks with her cutie mark. Help is a friend is someone who believes in you when you cease to believe in yourself. So that's a quote from My Little Pony. I think it's one of the movies. I'm not even sure. Character holds all of it. So that's the regular character. That's the character CPP for NPC, non-player character. Attacks with swerfy things, holding the NPC. Character has expired when their health dies completely. This is the header for the Ninjago ninjas, in which they throw a ninja star. Ninjago ninja attacks with the throwing star, and then their help button is as long as there's something we're fighting for it, there'll always be a need for a helpful ninja. This one's the character CPP. Wait, we already did that, didn't we? Did character? We did character help, and this is my game structure, and it holds hardly anything. So I think that is all of it, complete with cartoon narration. So let's just end with Porky Pig again. That's all, folks.